Welcome back to this video. What if I told you that from your Microsoft Edge browser, you can simply switch your search engine from Microsoft engine search into Yandex search engine without any stress? So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do is to open up on our Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right there and make sure you come to settings. So click on settings. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on privacy, search and services. Click on that. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on search and connected experience. Click on that. It's take you right there. Then simply scroll down and under address bar and search, click on that. Then it's take you right here. So search engine used in the bar address. So recommended by Microsoft right here is Bing. So if you want to switch from Bing or Microsoft Edge browser to Yandex, simply click on here and make sure you choose Yandex right here. Once you choose Yandex, it has automatically been added into your search engine. Next thing you can do is to come to the top right here, click on this plus sign to create a new tab. So we can now search with Yandex search engine. And for that, we can simply type in graphics resource. Let's say this is what we want to search, but we want to search from Yandex. Just like what you see right here, you have Yandex from your search engine right here. Then you can click on I'm not a robot, just for you to prove that you are human and you actually know what you are doing. And in a few seconds, it takes you to Yandex. So you can see Yandex browser, find what you need and load security. So simply scroll down. So you can scroll down and read detail as far as Yandex is concerned. So you can see right here that we have fully switched to Yandex browsing from our Edge browser or Bing search engine. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply change from your Microsoft Edge browser into your Yandex search engine without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.